Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 10D objective questions. Question number 11 is written here. Why is selling a radio for rupees 950? HP of radio is rupees 950. A man losses 5%. What percent shall he gain by selling it for rupees 1040? Students here, HP equal to rupees 9,050. Rupees 9,050. Now, loss equal to 5%. So, find CP. CP equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. CP equal to SP 200 by 100 minus loss percent. So 950 into 100 by 100 minus 5. 100 minus 5 means 95. 95 10 ja 950. So rupees 1000 is CP. Now new SP is 1040. So new SP equal to rupees 1040. So find gain. CP less than SP, CP less than SP. So here gain equal to SP minus CP. SP rupees 1040 minus rupees 1000 equal to rupees 40. Therefore, gain percent equal to gain into 100 by CP. So 40 into 100 by CP 1000. Double zero and third zero equal to 4%. Answer of this question. Understand, right? Students, next question is question number 14 of exercise 10D. The ratio of cost price and selling price. The ratio of cost price and selling price of an article is 20:21. 20:21. What is the gain percent on it? What is the gain percent on it? So let CP equal to 20x and SP equal to 21x. Let CP equal to 20x and SP equal to 21x. So what is the gain percent? Gain equal to SP minus CP equal to 21x minus 20x equal to x. Now therefore gain percent equal to gain into 100 by CP. So AX into 100, AX into 100 by CP 20x, x into x and 25 ja 100 equal to 5%. Answer. Understand and write. Students, next question is question number 17. A man buys an article for rupees 150 and makes. A man buys an article for rupees 150 and makes overhead expenses which are 10% of the cost price. At what price must he sell it to gain 20%? So I have given CP equal to rupees 150. Overhead expenses is 10% of CP, 10% of the CP. So 10% means 10 by 100 of CP rupees 150. 1 0 to 1 0, second 0 to second 0 equal to rupees 15. So effective CP, ECP, effective CP equal to rupees 150 plus rupees 15 equal to rupees 165. 165 is the effective CP or original CP. Now we have to find selling price. At what price must he sell it gain 20%? So gain equal to 20%. Therefore SP equal to formula CP into 100 plus gain percent by 100 equal to SP equal to CP into, so CP is 165 into 100 plus gain, so 100 plus 20 equal to 120 by 100. 1 0 to 1 0, 5 to the 10 and 6 to the 12, and divide 165 divided by 5. So 5 3 ja 16, 5 3 ja 15, 1 5 15. So 5 3 ja 15. Now multiply rupees 3 6 ja 18 of 8 and 3 6 18 plus 1 19. 198 will be the answer of this question. Write it. Next question is question number 19. A dealer lists his articles at 20% above the cost price. 20% above cost price and allow a discount of 10%. His gain percentage. So let CP be rupees X. Let CP be rupees X. And list price, that means mark price, MP. MP is 20% above the cost price. So MP equal to x plus 20 by 100 of x. 25 is 100. That implies x plus x by 5. X plus x by 5. Taken LCM. LCM 5. 5x plus x 6x by 5. NP 6x by 5. Now and allow a discount of 10%. His gain is, so find this SP given discount is 10%. So SP equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100 equal to MP is 6x by 5. 6x by 5. So 6x by 5 into 100 minus discount percent. 100 minus 10. So 90 into 100. 10 to 10 cancel. And 3 to the 6 and 5 to the 10 equal to rupees 27. 27x by 25. Here CPX and SP 27x by 25. So gain percent. We have to find now gain percent. So first of all find gain equal to SP minus CP. SP minus CP. So 27x by 25 minus x. LCM 25x. 25. So 27x minus 25x equal to rupees 2x. Therefore, gain percent equal to gain into 100. So 2x by 25 into 100 by CP. So CP is x. Now 25 for the 100, x to x cancel, equal to 4 to the 8%. Understand and write? Students, next question is question number 21. The price of watch including 10% VAT is rupees 825. What is the basic price of the watch? So let the basic price be rupees X. Let the basic price be rupees X. So according to question, X plus or rupees X plus 10%. That is 10%. 10% means 10 by 100. 10 by 100 of rupees X equal to rupees 825. Now 10 to 10 cancel. That implies X plus X by 10 equal to rupees 825. LCM 10. So 10x plus x equal to 11x equal to rupees 825. That implies x equal to 825 into 10 by 11. 10 by 11. 825 divided by 11. 11 7 ja 77. 77 plus 5 82. So 55. 11 5 ja 75 equal to rupees 750. Answer rupees 750. Now today homework is solve exercise 10D. Solve exercise 10D. Question number 11 to 21. Students, today homework is solve exercise 10D, question number 11 to 21. Thank you. That's all.